Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instruction sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 2 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter the material prices on 3 cost workup sheets. Example item 2.4.06 Input Shelf Base Clip Quantity. On all cost workup sheets, the quantity is determined by the numbers in column Q and column R. The quantity in row 250, column Q, is a formula with the range name SCTN1, SHLF, BSE, A or L, LWR, QTY, which means section 1, shelf, base, all or left, lower, quantity, which is from cell U588 on the project dimension sheet. Shelf clips do not have dimensions on the project dimension sheet. On the project dimension sheet, 4 shelves are indicated in range name SCTN1, SHLF, BSE, A or L, LWR, QTY, cell U588. The quantity of 4 from cell U588 on the project dimension sheet is the quantity of shelves, not shelf clips. Column R is used since there are 4 clips for each of the 4 shelves. Enter the quantity of 4 for shelf clips in cell R250. Any quantity of clips can be entered in column R, including fractional values in the form of a decimal number. Be aware that column Q is multiplied by column R in formulae. If the quantity in column R is not 4, then change it. Every part, piece, or item must be included in the cost workup. After entering the quantity, return to the instruction sheet by selecting the tab to the left along the bottom of the window. This example 2.4.06 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 2.4.07.